Hello everyone. So today I have built a new project. Its name is Resource Planner Agent System. So the project used the MCP server for the multi-tool agents, and as well the system has the chatbot resource assistant. So human can interact with chatbot and they can research by the help of the resource assistant. So, regarding the resource planner agent system, we do have full resource workflow with multi agents, and as well we do have specialized agent access for to interact directly with the individual agents. For example, we have planner and researcher. So for the data persistence, I have implemented code operation as well, and the data is stored in Supabase. So the application is running on Docker, and I have used the Python programming language for this. For Swagger, I have used the FastAPI, Swagger UI dashboard to for like for the front end part, and for the back end, I have the Python programming language. So let's execute the project. So to get the system health, I'll simply hit this endpoint to get health, and it says that status is healthy. Now if some researcher want to, or some students or some people want to chat with agent, so if they message what is the role of the planner agent, so this will be the question for the message. And for the history, there are two roles. One role for the user content is hello, and another role is for the assistant, which is where the assistant will reply the message for the user. So let's execute it. So yeah, it's loading. So the chat with assistant for the post method endpoint, it interact with the resource assistant, which is chatbot, and the assistant can help agent roles for the query of past result and triggering the resource. So yeah, we can move to the next endpoint. Meanwhile it's loading, so let it load. Now I have seeded some data in the database, Supabase database, using PostgreSQL database. So if I will get, and yeah, we can see that I have many JSON response body. So I have seeded all this data from the backend, and it's stored in database. So now what I will do, I will resource by id. So when I did resource by id, so it's provide me the specific resource response. So the topic, context, and the id, as well with metrics, revenue, and so on. And we do have the status as well. It says completed. And yeah, we can see that the endpoint where the user hit the post method for the chat with the research assistant. So it replies that the resource planner agent is the entry point for any research project, and so on. Now we got the resource by the id, and if I want to update this resource, okay, so this will be the same id. Yeah, I will simply hit this endpoint, and when I hit it this endpoint, so it says that the response is updated and status is accept. Now if I will get the same resource by the identical ID, so yeah, we can see that the topic is updated and the status is updated as well, and so on. So now I will do, so I'll try to delete this. So it's already deleted, and yeah. Now to post a resource, I will simply copy this URL from here and post it over here, so we can update the, like, this will be the private document and we can post the resource. So if I will post it, and yeah, we can see that it's posted. Lots of data has been posted and the data type is private, and yeah, so on. Now, yeah, for the planner, so this specialized isn't integrated with the MCP server, and there are multiple agents to do the tasks accordingly. So if I'll choose the agent name planner and execute this request body, so it's provide the topic interpretation, like research focus, future of AI in solar energy context, 2025 outlook, and the objectives is comprehensive analysis of the future of AI in solar energy. So on, we do have research questions, like these questions and secondary questions as well, and the required data from the public data source and the private data source. We haven't like it's yeah, we haven't provided. Okay, fine. So the private data source is empty array, and this one will for the analysis framework, and this one is for execution plan, data collection, initial analysis, final phase, synthesis, and reporting. As well, we do have risk factor regarding the resource. Now, what I will do, mm, I will change this. What is the role of planner agent or resource or agent? Now, let's say, it's loading. Currently, we have question the chatbot regarding the resource agent, and it takes some time to reply the message, and yeah, so on. Currently we have added one new resource, so if I will re-execute it, and here we can see that the project ID we have added the resource, and yeah, we can see that it's still, yeah, it's done. So it says that the resource planner agent is a specialized component with our multi-agent system. So we do have multi-agent system regarding the MCP server and the entire application built with the flow of lang flow. So I have used the lang flow for to build the backend AI model, and from the code, here I have mentioned the API for document for request and response body, what to send, and we have used super base database, OpenAI, that is Olama, and as well we do have Docker running here. You can see that it's running, and yeah, now that's all for today. Thank you. Have a great time.